Yeah, shit, hurry up. February 1st, it's Tuesday. We were watching this morning, and now all of a sudden, I get an email from a chat pump thing at 1 o'clock, and lo and behold, look what's happening. Now, should I buy it? Son of a. If this goes to 519, I'm gonna be pissed, right? Like, that's the target. Yeah, yeah, I don't know. This is pretty. It's in a fucked up spot. That's crazy what do you call it? That chat pump came out at 1:05. I got the email just as we were getting into VWAP. So I don't think that would. Maybe it took 5 minutes for people to read it. I don't know. Well, like we have to react, and that's another thing too. If we don't react, then how are you gonna do it, right? So now we just got to make sure that we don't get screwed around on it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, we have to make some money here. Don't be stupid about it. So that's exactly what I thought I'm gonna do here. I put a sell limit there for more than half. That should fill it. Come on, fill it. Yes, yes, yes. That was like a 2% take on half the position. If this goes wrong, okay, whatever. I moved that stop up to just above break even. Shit, I was messing around with something there, and we ended up getting stopped out really tight there. So let's take a look at what we did. There you go. So the first one was a $70 take, and the trailing stop up was $12. So that's $82 minus $15 in expenses. Did we make the right choice? I don't know. The thing is that we can always get in again and try and get a different level, right? Yeah, absolutely. We could wait for a pullback, or we could, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know what happens. What happens here when we take the money, $80, whatever. How about we took $80? The volume's not really coming in as good or in the velocity that I would like. It's kind of sluggish. We're at a weird time of day. It's 1:24 p.m. Um, is it gonna break out and fly to $5.19? Maybe. Yeah, being so late to the party, I'm pretty happy with taking that $80. We'll see if we get a turnaround here too. Look at that. Or is this the pullback that you're supposed to be buying the dip on, right? Because it's kind of taking support here. If we can take support in here, anywhere in here, $4.30, 34, 33, 30, somewhere in there, that would be a good spot. But you're gonna want it to like kind of hang around there for a couple of candles, like that's the thing. One down, one up. That doesn't. I don't know if that works for me. So it's kind of doing what I want it to do. Right, so I tried to build the order, and it shows that if we take a stop, it will get us a $121 loss. We just made 80. This is part of the things that I weigh. Is it worth it? Right, I know it's a small loss, but I mean, what are the probabilities that this is going to come up and out of here versus get you stopped out? This is what I'm trying to say about the experimentation. When you experiment, the like you're experimenting, right? So you're testing something that's not proven to work. So what are the chances that it is going to work versus you're going to lose money? And that's one of the big things I think, and it's part of how I determine my risk to reward. Right? So right there we would have got filled, and now we have a $4.25 stop. Will it stop us out now if we got filled in theory? You can experiment in your head. You can also do those graphical orders. You don't have to, trade every single trade. You can kind of put a line on there and say, look, did it work? I don't know, didn't it, or did it? If so, why? What was the thing? What made it do it? Like the way this pattern is working, this, I don't know what you want to call it. I guess it's a cup and handle kind of thing. We need to kind of, I don't know. It's not really a cup and handle. It's kind of Yeah, a little bit. Is this the push that you know what I mean? What you were supposed to take, or is this the push? I call it a push soak, and it just takes all the money and then it flushes it all down the toilet. Here it is, a little more zoomed in. There's that candle changed. Now, boom. Where's that? 25? No, that was 27. That was 27. So, has my attitude changed? Kinda. Kind of a little bit, right? So, yeah, is it gonna hold? It's a good question, right? So now, in theory, where's 25? We're at 27. We're at 29. So we really haven't been stopped out yet. 25, $4.25 was our theoretical stop out. You know, and there's the stop out there. Went to 25. But I mean, here's an experiment for you. Put your entry where your stop is. So now we would think about it like that. Now we're just getting entered into the position. I guess you'd have to make some sort of yeah, I don't know, another level of risk, right? Like that would have to be down here, like VWAP, I guess, maybe. So if we took it at 25, and we took down a VWAP, that's a 3.4% stop loss. So, um, and then what happens when it gets to the VWAP? It turns around and goes up. So then your stop's in the exact wrong fucking spot, right? So where would you put the stop then? Yeah, like maybe right underneath it. Right. Okay, so now you're almost like 420. Let's say 420 because everybody loves that 420. You know I do. Yeah, so I just drew it in there for you at 420 just so, you know. So yeah, they call those ones like dragonfly dojis. So look at that. We had the two of them back to back. Interesting. What does that look like over here? Two of them back to back. Look at that. They're just full bodies. Interesting. Run down hard, runs back up. Interesting. So is that a reversal to you? It doesn't look like it to me. Excuse me. Uh, boom. So now you're stopped out of that theoretical position. So what is the moral of the story here? Um, take the profits. Take the profits when you can get them. Always, yeah, take the profits when you can get them. Uh, you know, you're in it and on it. That's always a good part of it, right? Always keep your eyes open, man. Um, yeah, because it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. This might be a good time to like, share, subscribe to this. We'll keep putting out this type of stuff. Hopefully, it'll help you make better trade decisions and help you read the candles and get that thing. So if you want to, you need to ring that notification bell because we're putting out videos all the time. That'll let you know what it is, and then leave me a thumbs up if you like this stuff. Leave me a comment. Leave me a comment if you don't like this stuff. That'd be pretty interesting too. Um, but we might want to cut this one now because it's getting to that point, right? So yeah, look at that. Put your stop where you're. Yeah, there it is. There again. I don't know. So again, yeah, like, share, subscribe, because without that, you won't be able to come back for your high fives.